Erin, and today we are doing a get ready video with me. I'm going to orientation, like pre-frosh. It's getting like grade 12s in to get ready for university, and since we're engineers, purple is the color. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Start off, I'm using the green Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm using that just on my nose and my cheeks to cancel out any redness. And then I'm using the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Mattifying Primer on just my nose because that's where I get the most oily. I'm then going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade Medium 2 Santa Fe, and I'm just going to dot that all over my face evenly. And yeah, I'm just looking like polka dot right now, but it'll look better. And I'm using the Morphe Y6, and I'm just blending that out. I actually got this brush because of Laura Lee, and man, do I love it. It blends like a dream. I think Morphe is like my new favorite affordable brush brand. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just putting a little bit under my eyes. A little goes a long way, so you don't want a heavy hand with this one. And I'm taking a beauty blender, and I'm just blending that out. I start with under my eyes, and then I kind of migrate towards my nose to make sure I don't accidentally put too much on my under eyes and make everything look creasy. And I'm just going to set everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm not baking under my eyes, I'm just really setting it to make sure everything stays in place. The biggest thing that I like to do is put a lot of powder on my nose because I just get so greasy there. Next, I'm taking my Coconut Max Fix Plus, and I'm just spraying that everywhere to make sure all my makeup doesn't look cakey. And I like to use my hands and just kind of air it out. Of course, got it in my eye this time, but normally I don't. And you got to do that weird arm dance thing to really set it into your face. Or is that just me? For bronzer, I love using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic one with the coconut, and I use the R14 brush from Morphe to bronze. Yes, guys, it literally blends in like it's just your natural skin. I can't explain how amazing this bronzer is, but I'm just putting that to really add some skin-like texture to my face and make it not so bland. I'm then going to dig into my Cheekathon palette, and I'm mixing Dandelion and Coralista from Benefit, and these two brushes together are so dang gorgeous, guys. So for the most exciting part, I'm taking my Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm taking the purple shade with my R36 Morphe brush, and I'm putting that right on the tops of my cheeks. I normally wouldn't go for a purple shade, but since this was for engineers and purple is engineers, I thought I'd do it. And then I'm taking the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade 4, and what I like to do is really just comb out my brows before I do anything. And I get tons of comments saying oh, I'm pressing really hard, but that's just how I do my brows. I like to stencil it out and then just really do a shape before I actually fill anything in, and then I do an underneath line just to really get a full shape, and then I use my spoolie and I just blend everything out. I find doing my brows this way just a lot easier, and of course I gotta make some weird faces while I do the brows. After I have everything spoolied in, I'm just going to go back inside and just fill any places where I feel like I might have patches or just it's really sparse. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other side as well. For brow gel, I like to use the Estee Lauder one because I just find it a little more soft than the Benefit one. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Primer Potion and just put that on my eyelids to really prime it before we do any eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the Naked 3 today, and I'm going to take the color Limit and use that as my crease shade and my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take Nooner and take that for the outer half of my eye, and I'm really going to blend that in a little higher. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to bring it up a little higher, but focus it more on the outer half of my crease. After that, I'm going to take the shade Factory and then put that and concentrate that on the lower half of my outer crease. And I'm going to blend that in with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to take a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to really blend everything to make sure there are no harsh lines. I'm going to then whip out this Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, and I'm going to be taking the lightest purple shade, and I'm using a Sephora packing brush and really just packing that on. Guys, I didn't even use any Fix Plus, and the color was just so pigmented, came on so nicely, and I just like to blend everything out with a clean crease brush. And this is my Sephora one, and I kind of just go back and forth until I have the kind of pigmentation that I want, but you guys can totally stop at however harsh you want it. I was pretty shocked how well those eyeshadows worked. And next I'm going to be taking Unicorn Tears and just highlighting the inner corner of my eye, and then taking Strange and highlighting underneath my brow bone. I'm going to take Limit again on a clean smudge brush, and I'm putting that on my lower lash line just to really complete the look, but this is totally optional. And next I'm just going to take my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray and just really set that bad boy in my face.
I don't really like to do lips, so I just finished it off with some Sephora lip balm in the rose shade, and it was really pretty and really soft and focused more on the eyes. So this is the final look. I think it was really pretty, very simple, and I really like the purple look. It goes really well for the summertime as well as for engineers, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big old like right down there. All my social media is right over here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know purple isn't really a highlight color that most people use, but since it is for orientation, I thought I would, you know, throw that in. If you have any suggestions for future videos, you guys can comment that down below or tweet me at flavorhair22. And yeah, I have new vlogs coming out every Tuesday on my vlog channel, flavorhair22 vlogs. I'll leave that also in the description box below or up in the cards. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!